honestly, this feels no less than any world-class university anywhere in the West.
You guys are doing great things there at Woxsen. Keep up the great work. You remind me a lot of here at Woxsen University.
A university with a sprawling campus, which is not only a building construction workshop, but also a design studio by itself.
We need places like Woxsen that focus on innovation, entrepreneurship, management skill and capability to build the cadre of leaders necessary in business, government, nonprofit, the arts, defense, across the entire spectrum of human activity in order to build a world that we can all be proud and happy to live in.
So I can truly say, Woxsen, inspiring the minds of the future.
A global university in India.